back to the channel, guys. This is round 1 of season 2 upgrades. This time around we got the Goodyear Supercar 3 tires in the front, so hopefully we have no understeer issues this time around. This class has some good competition, a couple other Camaros, some Mustangs. It's got a Porsche in this class, and we're just really hoping that the weather holds up, and we're just looking to have some fun and keep practicing and learning how to drive this car. Alright, coming through tech inspection, car checked out. Just waiting to get my my group number. Got some good competition in this class. That's a Hellcat that's right behind me. A lot of quick cars out here, so we'll see how they do on this autocross course. A lot of heavy cars, so we'll see how they do. This thing is super cool. Pro charge.
Because it has to be not on the side. I went there. I saw it in the show.
I should just borrow a skateboard, is what I need to do.
Yeah, bust your ass and there goes your shoulder, your knee, whatever. Fuck that. That go-kart is wrong.
Bring it in for the drivers meeting! Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in! All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Buenos dias, buenos nachos. We are back. It's round 1 from the Cosmo Tires Season 2 Point Series.
Brandon running it. I'm gonna go with him. Modified was like 7 minutes of his. Yeah. Except I guess Brandon is kind of crazy, yo. We go to.
All right, guys. We got group 3, so we're gonna be out here for a little while. We just had an incident where a Nissan Sentra spilled oil. They hit the oil with their rear tires and spun out and basically crashed their car. Well, not crashed, but came off course. So you can see he drove right through the section, slipped on the slalom, and came right through this whole section. So anyways, with that being said, looks like we're gonna have to wait for them to clean up the oil on the track. They actually may change the track layout a little bit here at the very beginning of the track just to try to avoid that oil patch. So we'll see. They're there basically cleaning up the oil, just trying to get it prepped so that we can go back and hit the track. They may make group 1 rerun their runs to make sure that everyone is consistent because the track may change. So we're just waiting to find out what's going on. So that oil spill that we had in that first round basically caused quite a bit of delays. It's already 1:30 in the afternoon. We've been here all day and we haven't gotten our runs in. They're still on group 2, but they ended up cutting our runs down. So initially we had 6 runs for each group, but because of that oil spill and the time delay, they cut everyone back down to 4 runs each. All right, group 3 about to get started. I'm gonna kick this guy's ass. Starting to warm up the cars now. Check out Marcel's YouTube channel.
Thank you. Millie Road.
I'll add the.
Thank you.
Both of these cars are on. You can't hear them. we just did our first run. We got 5th place in our class in the first run, so hopefully we can start doing a little bit better. Air down the pressure a little bit on the tires. I got some pretty good grip on these new front tires for sure. We're definitely doing the majority of this race in first gear though, so we're just gonna keep at it. I just got done with number 2 and I did a little bit worse. I missed second gear on my first to second transition after the first slalom, but I threw it back into first, or I threw it back into second, made the turn, and just made it work. Thinking about staying in first for longer. It seems like this track I can really run out first and just leave it in first. Not something that I'm comfortable doing all the time. Not used to just leaving a car in first gear, but you know, it's a short track and the car can do it. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna give it a go next time, and basically take it from there. So let's get to it. That was number 3. It was a little bit better. I was definitely a lot more aggressive, but it's still not my best time. I don't know. So it felt like my best time, but I guess we'll see how it goes. I guess we can get better. We have one more run to go, and I mean, that's that. For my 4th run, I'm probably gonna have a passenger. There's somebody that wants to experience the ride. So it may not be the best run because of weight, but we're just out here to have fun. So at least that's my excuse, just in case I do bad, you know, just blame it on the extra weight. Alright guys, so I got pretty lucky. That run that I did with the passenger was my worst run of the day. I spun out a lot, was spinning tire on almost every turn. I was carrying myself a little too aggressive. That may have something to do with having a passenger. I don't know. So I'm gonna try to take it a little bit more calm, but they're giving me another run because the time was way off. So they actually came up with a 12-second run or a 15-second run. So they're gonna give me a rerun, and I'm gonna take 100% advantage of that, and I'm gonna hope that I can try to get my best time. So we're done with the autocross today. Had a couple good runs, one kind of sloppy. I think my ego got the best of me there. Had a passenger in that run, got a little aggressive. The car performed really well. On the other hand, I need to work on getting smoother on my weight transfers and the transitions on turns. I know that's gonna help me improve drastically, because I mean, just looking at other drivers, other videos, it's clear that I'm taking turns at the wrong time. It's just a mix. So I'm definitely gonna see if I can slow down next time, and even if I don't have a good score or a good time, at least I know I have a much cleaner run and keep it much more consistent. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. This is Saldala Performance. We'll catch you in the next video.